These are Soul Insole Heel Wedges. They're designed to help with over-pronation or over-supination. You can see that one edge is thicker and it tapers down to thinner on the other edge. They're designed to be posting, to help tilt the foot to a more neutral position if the foot is tilting more to the outside or more to the inside. Let's start by talking about over-supination. Over-supination is a condition in which the foot is walking more on the outside edge. So you'll see that the shoes have an uneven wear pattern. If you look on the bottom of an over-supinator's shoes, most of the time you'll see that they're wearing out the outer corner of the heel edges of their shoes. You can use heel wedges to help the feet feel more comfortable and tilt them more to a neutral position. For over-supination, you'll want to place the heel wedges so that the thicker edge is on the outside edge of the shoes. For the opposite problem, over-pronation, you can move these to the opposite shoes so that the thicker edge is on the inside. Over-pronation is a condition in which the ankles are falling inward, the arches are falling inward, and oftentimes the knees will be knock-kneed or closer together. This affects the alignment all the way up the kinetic chain, and it can be very important to use posting and heel wedges to tilt the feet to a more neutral position. There are two types of flat feet that you'll see. One is a fallen arch, so an arch that used to have a regular or high arch, but it's fallen over time. The other kind of flat foot is a rigid flat foot, where the bone structure is such that the foot is actually flat. Many times people will have had flat feet since birth if they have a rigid flat foot. This foot type can't tolerate arch support. And so if you try to put arch supports in their shoes, they'll say that hurts and they won't wear it. You can use heel wedges in these cases to provide posting and tilt the foot to neutral without putting so much pressure on the arch. They're adhesive on the bottom, so they'll stick down into sandals and shoes. They won't leave any sticky residue if you move it from one shoe to another. And if it gets dirty and less sticky, you can wash it off under water, scrub the dirt off, and set it out to air dry. Once it's dry, the adhesive will renew. If your shoes have a removable liner, you can take the liner out, place the heel wedges as needed, and replace the liner on top. This will help the heel wedges stay more securely inside of the shoe, and it can also be very comfortable. Please let us know if we can help answer any questions about our heel wedges or any of our other products. We are always happy to help.